And welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm featuring the Confetti Birthday kit for Let's Kit Together for April. And this is so fun. This is creating shaker cards. So it shows you a fast and easy way to create shaker cards that is much easier than foam squares and acetate. And this particular kit comes with a blueberry bushel ink spot and a stamp set that features these birthday messages that we use on the thing. Let's party, oh happy day, happy birthday, and some candles. So this is a very fun and very cute way to add a small collection to your birthday cards. So I hope you'll join us at Let's Kit Together in April. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.